In a fair and just world, all people should have access to medicine. But our world is neither. Every year, millions of deaths from diseases that could have been prevented or cured by existing medical products cause a cascade of misery and suffering. According to the World Health Organization, an estimated 2 billion people are denied access to life-saving or health-promoting interventions for economic or social reasons. Universal health coverage depends on the availability of quality-assured and affordable pharmaceutical products in sufficient quantities. Current production programs based on classical fermentation technologies are stretching the industry, with key players unable to increase their production capacities to meet increasing demand. To address this, there is an ethical imperative to reassess the technologies used to make pharmaceuticals and improve access to medicines. Biotech has a game-changing proprietary gene expression system based on world-class academic research at the University of Manchester. We use chloroplast to make high amounts of recombinant proteins in plants. Chloroplast expression is driven by photosynthesis, making it sustainable and is free of animal pathogens and bacterial endotoxins. Our expression system is stable and inherited through seeds, making it highly scalable. Biotech aims to embed its technology in the biologics contract manufacturing market by establishing its technology as biopharma's partner of choice for production of new biologics. Biotech, ensuring affordable medicine gets to every patient around the world.